guys, welcome back to Yinzer Picker. As you can see, it's really sunny, it's hot, and I'm hot. It's a warm day out here, but today the Yinzers are having a yard sale, as you can see by the stuff behind me. I was going to start filming earlier, but I didn't. But I'm going to show some footage from us setting up and some footage while there was people here. It wasn't too busy today, but it was still pretty good. I mean, we did sell some stuff, so we got some stuff moving, and that's what the plan was. Let's get this stuff out of here and just to clear out some space and get ready for some new stuff. So hopefully everybody's having a great weekend or great week, depending on when you're watching this. But remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification, and let's show some footage of this yard sale. We did have a viewer stop by, so it was nice. She got a free sticker out of it. And yeah, so far that's it. We'll touch base with you here soon, but enjoy the footage. How are you?
Some little child's gonna be happy with that. No, that's the wall flush. How much are your doggy bags?
Oh,
you might have a price on it.
actually I did, but big package for your puppy.
And if I thought about it, I would like to have had both their autographs on the same day,
Yeah.
on the same team, on the same thing, because they were both they were friends and they were.
Yeah, they're real good friends.
Come on!
You know why Sidney Crosby's number is 87?
Go back.
Born on August 7th, 87.
How much is his contract? You know?
I don't need him. Oh, yeah.
Come around.
Can we stay back, okay? Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video of our yard sale. It went pretty well. It wasn't as busy as our last yard sale, but we still had some pretty good sales. It was hit or miss, I think, because a lot of places around us had some community yard sales. So I think that drew those people away from the smaller ones. But that's okay. You can't win them all. We did make some money. We also got rid of some stuff to make some room for some new stuff. So we're hoping to have some good videos coming up. We have some stuff in the making that I think these videos are going to be some good ones. Also, if you have any questions, reach out to us. Our email and everything is down below, and Instagram. Just reach out to us and we always respond if you have any questions. As you can see, I got some sun today. Not from the yard sale, really. We kind of tried to stay in the shade, but after the yard sale, we went and hung out in the pool, had some good family time. It was nice just being away from the computer, just relaxing, just letting the kids have some fun. So we're all burned out, but I'm gonna edit this video for the yard sale, and I realized, hey, I didn't do an outro for it. I know I had some clips, so, but can't win them all again, but we still had fun. And yard sales are a blast even when you're having them. It's a lot of work, but it's a good time. So remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification down below. I still don't know where it is. I should look where it's at so that I know when I'm telling you guys where it's at. We tried to do giveaways. We're going to be doing another one soon, so if you're not a subscriber, you can't win. If you don't know when that video comes up, you're not going to know when to win. So hopefully you guys had a great weekend, great week. Hopefully everybody's staying safe and healthy out there and enjoying that family time. So until next time, guys, keep picking.